Welcome back. My name is Athena from DreamForgeAcademy, and I will guide you through this lesson. Your screens still run on a typed fake from Course 1. It proved the journey, but it remembers nothing. In this lesson, you replace that mock layer with server-first reads against neon and server action writes, and the screen the user sees should not flinch. By the end, the Today board, the customers list, and one create form all run on live data scoped to the signed-in account. Hold one model in mind. Reads flow down, the server queries the row, the server component renders it, the browser shows finished HTML. Writes flow up, the form posts to a server action, the action validates and writes, then revalidates the page. Every query and every write carries the user ID, so the database never trusts the screen for ownership. Replace one screen end to end before you touch the next. Work in a controlled order. First inventory every import from the mock folder. Then migrate the Today board reads. Then the customer's reads. Then convert the customer create form into a server action with validation and a revalidate call. Pause after each step and confirm the page still shows the data you seeded. A half-swapped screen is harder to debug than one you have not touched yet. Claude Code leads on Windows, and the same contract runs in Codex. Tell the agent to cut 3 screens at the mock seam, scope every read by user ID, validate writes with Zod, and remove the mock import only from the screens it migrates. Hold the line. It does not touch quotes, invoices, or reports, and it does not delete the mock module until the whole app is migrated. Read the diff before you apply it. Verification is your job, not the agent's claim. Open the Today board and the customers list and confirm the rows match what you seeded. Create a customer through the form and watch the list update with no manual refresh. Then the decisive check. Sign in as a second test account and confirm it sees none of the first account's data. If any check fails, repair the smallest layer and run it again. Migrate the 3 screens to live data and prove tenant isolation across 2 accounts. Keep your own screen names, labels, and the fields you chose for a job card. Only the data source moved. Record the before and after of one screen and save the verified state for the next lesson, where you complete the real quote-to-paid lifecycle. For this lesson, migrate Today, customers, and the customer create form to live data, then prove isolation. Create a customer on one test account, sign in as a second, and confirm the second account sees none of it. Record the before-after of one screen. Confirm each verification, check yourself before moving on, and carry the working result into the next lesson. Thank you for watching. Follow along using the course material and complete the lesson assignment. I will see you in the next lesson.